Hello, everyone. Hope you had an awesome week. Fun fact, back in 1971, the average mortgage rate was around 7.33%, a little bit higher than where we're at today. If your buyer waited for the interest rates to go down, they wouldn't have purchased a home until 1993, and your buyer would have rented for 22 years waiting for rates to go down. The worst part is home values quadrupled in that time frame. Food for thought. And while I doubt we're going to wait another 22 years for rates to dip below 7%, I do believe the days of 3 and 4% are gone for good. I think the norm will be about 5.5 to 6.5%. This could have been a market mover week for mortgage rates due to the job numbers coming out from ADP and the Bureau of Labor Statistics. If they were strong job numbers, it would have sent interest rates much higher. The BLS report came out this morning, and this is one of the most influential reports the Fed relies upon for monetary policy. It can dictate the direction of the Fed funds rate. In other words, should the Fed continue to increase rates, decrease rates, or leave them alone? And fortunately, the job numbers aligned with market expectations, keeping the mortgage rates relatively stable, just above 7% for a highly qualified conventional borrower. And these numbers come out from Mortgage News Daily, great online resource. Wanted to point out that FHA and VA homebuyers now can typically get a rate below 7%. FHA loans it's an attractive option because it carries lower rates and they reduce the monthly mortgage insurance premium in May. So it's a very attractive loan, and a lot of people are definitely taking a look at those. Next week could be another hold your breath week because we get inflation numbers. A CPI, consumer price inflation or price index, comes out, and it is also the last Fed funds meeting of 2023. The markets are always trying to interpret each and every word, phrase that Fed Chairman Jerome Powell says after the meetings. And the markets are anticipating no further increase in the Fed funds rate this year. Let's hope that's the case and they come down next year. Finally, wanted to make sure you knew conventional loan limits increased in Clark County to $766,550 and FHA increased to $498,257. With these increases, a first-time home buyer could potentially purchase a home on a conventional mortgage of approximately $790,000 with 3% down. On an FHA loan, a home buyer could probably buy a home worth around $516,000 with 3.5% down. And remember, on FHA, it does not have to be a first-time home buyer. So have a fantastic weekend. Go out to the rodeo, enjoy, and we'll see you next week. Bye-bye.